And we continue with the plight of Greek, where the Greek Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras won a commitment to seek a last-minute rescue at an emergency Eurozone summit last night before his country's banks ran out of money. EU leaders will hold a further summit on Sunday to approve a plan to aid Greece if creditor institutions are satisfied in the meantime with the Greek loan application and reform commitments. Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras told reporters after a meeting he described as positive that he was hopeful. The Greece PM brushed aside talk of a Grexit after a meeting he termed as positive. German Chancellor Angela Merkel, who arrived saying that there was still no basis for reopening negotiations with Athens, is said to have changed her tune in the room and was actively involved in efforts to find a last-ditch resolution.
Η πορεία του ελληνικού λαού που ήταν σαφής, η ελληνική πλευρά θα συνεχίσει την προσπάθεια έχοντας ως ισχυρό όπλο